We are delighted to announce that we are a B Corp company. B Corp certification shows that a company has a high level of environmental and social impact, accountability and transparency. Building on our reputation as an employee-owned business, B Corp certification matters to us because it tells our customers that we are a business that can be trusted to do the right thing.
The B Impact Assessment does that by getting to every corner of our business and our ways of working, and actually the impact that we have on all our stakeholders, whether that's the environment, whether that's our community around us, whether that's actually our customers or our own team, our workers. And it also looks at the governance we have to keep all of that in place. To certify as a B Corp, businesses have to reach a score of 80 on the B Impact Assessment, and we're really pleased to have reached a score of 124.7. One of the things that's helped us to do so well in the B Impact Assessment is our employee ownership business model.
We've been employee-owned since 2014, but 2025 is a milestone year for us because we're now majority-owned by our Employee Ownership Trust, with 69% of all shares held by non-executive employees.
And our team have always been passionate about helping visitors to create better sustainable homes. But actually over recent years, we've also added a focus of us becoming a better sustainable business. And in the last 3 years, we've been able to reduce our own carbon footprint by 23%. And in the last year alone, we've also reduced waste to landfill by 17%. We've also been able to tighten up through the B Impact Assessment process on some of our policies. We've been able to make our procurement more sustainable, and we've been able to make our recruitment more equitable.
Simply going through the process has helped us to enhance our employee benefits, including our parental leave, and we now offer paid volunteering days for all of our team. But we're not finished yet. We care about what we do, and becoming part of the B Corp community is going to help us to continue to improve to be a better, sustainable business.